Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Sini papa be na upe biashe Amansane winyano baby ya Kumawood TV Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba Amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba
for akwaba ene eye ifiada 23rd January 2021 twediam pon de ache atranse benyamre na yatumi edi oman Ghana ho nkomo chene so se dwumade you are live on Kumawood TV, live on Facebook and also YouTube. Na adwenche 0202668464 ibenyamre na yedi nkomo ibenyamre na yasinsam no pi de ekoso ewo oman Ghana enra and His Excellency the President of the Republic Nana Akufo-Addo edebetudwa se enipa aduanan ensia 46 ministers and one nominate womo a was submitted the list to the Ghana's Parliament. The Speaker ama enei Speaker nso ede atomasojafo nyina nim se ne saka 46 nominees awan pedipese no mo ye adwuma e won the second term emu anenti warefe ede ama the appointment committee mo so ebeko na omako shase adoso ministers no na before then na minyina de wampani ye no an so na memfa nso nkuna be minute ba kon abuzia de atiane se na nyina ense enna ye fe ne no nyina ense penifo nse kukurumu ense nyina nso no enye pe bere bia nso dwumadi a edi enne betimi akoyie wochina ebia na ankoyie. I'm saying this because Enra less than about one thing we have a lot of districts, constituents, party faithfuls, chiefs, opinion leaders and other activists are omasha say ekasa we say na wasanka me MP onya bie we say asome say adwuma pa na wasanka appoint na yama na hwe we say asome say den ye adwuma no ye bi pa emu de ntia yi na free ho sa na tie ebia ochina ebe ya ma ade be chino na ankoyi amfa ma e ba sa agetum sabrabo no sa na tie mo am nkrofo nya bie na ne wo ma nya bie no mo kwa ni kwa mo kasakura zo nyankopon wa chira mo obu wo ha onya bi kura ada makane ha se Odotobiri constituency MP no wakọ 5th time deputy minister ko onya bi nida 5 nya ba ko 5 onya deputy minister ko nida obu ane de 3 year ko first time no anu onya bi obi akobe 4 times Kumawu baso a wakọ the 3rd time onya deputy ko nida enti se wo de no afiri ne nsa na de manu ba ofro nso a na wagye atum se sana brabo no etie enne betumi akoyi ama no eche se koyi ma won so a na owunu se uhwe ni yie se de ebe ya ebetumi atena won se so ache na wori nipa nso edili a no se nipa usan omo a wosia omo no omo a na wo san ba obesan sia omo yese omo a ofuru dua na abesia omo no omo a nso na wusane a obesan sia omo ntu nipa nso dili a na onomo edili ni yemu ibenyamre ne ne yetimi edi nkomo 46 ministers ompani se or the 85 na be adwuma no be any deputy minister in all the regions all Ghana 16 regions no any deputy ministers ministerial positions ni bi won so a wa me ka ebi abobobom na ompani release a wode emayogen ahen ede ebae ni benya bra na ewuram wase minister bi wo ha mayo modwuma awie minister for planning adwuma be ade share nsa wa ya awie ebenya mre na yetimi edisa enkomo no wo na expectation te saying and I say abisi saying oko atwoma mponu a eho na honorable Isaac Asiama na oye sports minister akọ parliament oko from 4th parliament 5th 6th 7th and 8th to the 5th term and owomu but oko ampasuano so a there has been a lot of complaints amu say ne modern bo ampasuano so no enso ani but then the sports fraternity also tell you say papa no the modern bo so youth and sports has been marvelous. Talking about sports complexes, about 10 sports complexes you see on my Ghana, Ashanti region, Enyenehini, CBO, Oko, Western region, Axim, and other regions are easier. The modern bo and Amana side and Aba renovation of the stadiums on my Ghana, Greater Accra, Babaya Sports Stadium in Kumasi, Ohnijan in Accra, and I have a Cape Coast. So you could see, say, Obaye. Na normalization committee yet because of an expose nyuma wodi but still his excellency feel say on timinen to aso the second term no biu mebu no ho ase kasa ombo fupalo wampani anya de ombetua no soka katua no ebe free fan e na aba okwawu a kwavon say omo be 5 constituencies e wo kwawu na ho say NPP ba bia no a the NPP vote me omo e regional ministers na de ma wo mo omunya cabinet ministerial position bi ada under the NPP. Meanwhile, the 5 constituencies are award the Kwawu area no etwaba edema NPP nti omo entiasie ebenyamre na ye no mo so edi nkomo ema the regional breakdown of the president nominees are they ababonten should all things being equal for parliament to accept them Ebere said the city Ashanti region getting 8, some regions getting 0 DNT ena amano etumi abasa ebenyamre na edi ho enkomo but then say wono wampi no or parliament na so wenya ministry appointment there ontime CEO because of a member of parliament ebenyamre na nkomo no yedi dodo no NDC enra eno sha say di nkomo on the election petition there His Excellency John Dramani Mahama the akoma the Apex Court no say ohwe ni mu say the review of file you know the Supreme Court modern na review no etimi akoso until then he is appealing to the court says Supreme Court nhwe na omontwe anse ne nsensan enkopum say review no ebetimi akoso ene lawyer Ibrahim Amaleba ebedi nkobo na omo amaye nchiremu nso ewo omo decision na omo ateki no nso eho shane so say the new coronavirus yare no we na anohye I've been telling you so one hwe hu yi na man hwe hu yi a ebetumi ate e de afra ene me ana mkoji na kajetia mjina kajetia be 15 minutes na maye mo post ni uduru ha na abusa nose mask we uni bia na mame aton bia ma nose mask we uni bia na mame aton bia ma and a lot of people especially one more to na man nkasa na de nose mask no mo head and share but those are mo share nose mask no dodo no ye ne a e bia ye kwakoto ade ana ye nam kurum but omo nkasa omo na post for the bambofo no kurum na nkasa na omo to ne man de oba e beto ne mo ho no most of them are not wearing the nose masks. So interesting. Ibenyamre na ya boremu edi eho no enkomo GPRD for say recommendations asase eba senke be ya ye momo mfa tutu ye fa tane momo mfa tu omo se omo nya ne enya ne kina fi se praga kwa okurumu a e fa miensa under this era. Ibenyamre na ye di ho enkomo His Excellency the former president and the first president under the 4th Republic Jerry John Rawlings meno kase watona nanom ewon siedo said ya wo eneme yenim no na de ode atu for the atudwa ene say nyame adoma akwasiada 2020 somewhere Sunday na yi no hyase na yede ne betompem na afi na manfo tumi akọ na ne achi kura enei masebejafo tuntum ene omo ede ekire mo ni so a omo ewo ede ma omampani a nam ne so ema ene yintu aban bia enwuye ebiwa ye enjoy the smooth democracy under the fourth republic also nkomo ewo ha ebenyamre na yetumi yedi na say 3 convicts in police cells test positive for coronavirus. You know under prisons no say me yensa ene omo enya coronavirus. University of Ghana say night market is okowa kosopa na the adherence to the safety protocols no say ebo ma coronavirus etu ase no edu anyumre dia egu obi ani su biu so mo say anhwe ya they will close down all night market ewo campuses and also nkomo awa ebenyamre na yetumi edi ewo me no kasa post for guso a omo chinkrofo a omo eya asoden the Ashanti region dey na nhyase we understand say it will take force effect now that it will take effect from Monday and Ashanti region dey no ebetumi ahyase but as you speak now Ashanti region dey no enya dey say ahyase but the Tema and Greater Accra and Takoradi dey ahyase over 600 people and yachi omo say omo enhye nose mask ewo Ghana na one for patch up so company emra no sign review no bio on system kakra na ebo no 6,000 to 12,000 that say chewa ana o hye chi Ghana ni na so 6,000 na okofa no he 12,000 okofa no he nti enya na say bia 50 Ghana cedis kwa no a na nke ache nti ade no o to 1 Ghana no 1 to na ade 50 na 20 cedis next time u beto do ade egu bag na onamo a watumi ahye eno so nkongo ebenyamre na yatumi edi ministers enei omo elusi omo position as ministers ebenyamre na eno so na the list no etumi edi amaba Gloria Kufu enkane na oya attorney general onkobio Halima Mahama local government onkobio Kwaku Asamwa Trebe ubekaya Lance natural resources papai semebre and get me bre ne ba no ho ono so nya de se obeko biu attach and Western Housing ono so wenya opposition ebio Elizabeth Afolukwe ma mene de mejitum to amomoden His Excellency deserve to kick her out wa mono homoden ba kokora e Fisheries Ministry ono so we free mu Cynthia Mamle Morrison gender children and social protection modern boy no bona so ani but man penese da bi eye nipa na doso onko tena chiri na foforo emra Kofi Jamesi se ono chieftaincy wono ba ye asumdie ba pa ene man penese onko na Kojokum miamelo ya Kojokum Hunter West emra ono so wanko biu Isaac Kwame Asiama Youth Sports Isaac Kwame Asiama ai wono so ye yina frimu Anthony Akoto Osei Minister for Monitoring and Evaluation enkane Member of Parliament for Tafo Pankrono ye yina frimu Dr. Mustafa Hamid Zongo Mustafa Hamid started as information and yedene call Zongo development ofri Zongo no enei ye yino afrimu enim de obesa enya ebio we have Barbara Otinjesi no a Member of Parliament Emma Amanfo a omo ewo Pristia Huni Valley in the Western region before Obeba tourism no na Member of Parliament for Evaluate Ajomaroja constituency Catherine Abrema Afeku na tourism minister and na mampani yi ni free ho I dey ko share minister office a minister administrative office now as a senior minister no office in the senior minister na ga ko woni ho ndima me Afeku the position no so asonse wiem enei Baba Tijesi ensoko Jogati very hard working minister at the railway sector obojuma ayajuma pa railway but His Excellency Joe enkotena fie na Peter Mewu emesha na nan to Jogati ade ono so no a position no echo. The information we are getting is that he has an ambition to become a president but it's not only Jogati who has an ambition to become a president. Of course we have Alan Kojo Chamante, he has an ambition you have the Vice President Alhaji Muhammadu Mumia also. Okay, well, we need to see what happens in the days ahead. And then Kofi Ada Aviation, the ministry, no, the free war. Professor Frempong Boateng, excavators, Galamsey, Mokaya, Neba, you should be at the NDC for the board, one also, company A in every move. Professor John Bafo, on one NDC for Dim Kunimua, omo edit bosi pa e wo Ghana dey example pa no ono so ompani minister for planning we e free ho senior minister yaw osafomafo ono so ministry no ompani e free ho and afi the hard working and then the most talkative minister me minim no e Kwame Duncan Central Region no kasapa ompani se no the uncle Henry Bia TV so no radio so na de to no so we no e dey free ho na dey ba ko ompani ya efe and it's I think voter regional minister any way no obi a or physically challenged and as I can say disabled the nine back anyhow and we know ye bo company about so say if you we say ya e boa because company that me spend so na ye a minister of state na nani sabi na nani ehura de for chieftaincy yes and any yes I enya ebise e mo company abaso e osa kwanya no eso media for atnase and administrator edema NDC in Ashanti region Sir Wallace Abebiu Ewofia Sanso ena Nana Buachi Ashanti regional communication team member and communication officer for NPP ewa Efija se Asokore constituency or ena Nana Ayu Dr. Ayu member of parliament I mean twa me homra me ba bejafo trans benyamre na ye de nkomo share so wadwen kire no 0202668464 0202668464 we are live on Facebook, we are live also on YouTube, live on Kumawood TV wadwen chade brantem ye nyamre enkenkan enfama once again a very good evening me at the Michael Nana Adumakon Sir Mike intwe homra ba e beto aso
Enya drone dro e drone ne yesaya Axco Herbal Capsule team ene mi koko na ha mi bebrebe eyi ni nyina afiri ho
me wura me anye bai me so metimi anom Axco Herbal Capsule hibi
metimi anom bedodo na woni XP Herbal Capsule eno ne ma me sisi yade ni nyina afiri me so a ma me ho atome
XP Herbal Capsule hina ma ni jabba so di biasio XF Herbal Capsule e boost your immune system
ejento so de usisi da bia cha na ebi cha kan ho
me sisi ndi aka ho
XP Herbal Capsule e be bo mo sisi na ye kama
2 passes one no mama ho ato
ozo de hwe me
hey XP Herbal Capsules fama me so me kwanu we
unya anye dan no
yiwani
wura ni be da nya bi
axe no pay enye na ewo Herbal ene pharmacy shop dodo na mu bia
da onya mfie dumie no apemfo ene oba o manofo entimi mfasa adu
sana amaya wode foforo
FDA ahwehwesa ejodi enkwato yi mo agi atomo sei
Ewia, if I shop na me sha de o bag.
bra ade ena so biem
Na tell me about me share me see ba queen why me say.
bra said the time heba mesha esia gimi ni me fiefo enya de ba ko pe ebe so ye
We dey do this o fa ni nyina.
bra se me ka se me di time heba mesha ho adanse a wiase nyina ebe te me nka enti se malaria wadra ni time heba mesha
Anya nu ko de na nu ato a wontumi anije no. Wadro ne time heba mesha. Edre enye ma oba wa fa afuro. De wo ma akoda no fo. Ene akoda woni mfie dumienu. Ansa na obeto time heba mesha edre ibi no. Hwe se wako hospital anasa lab am wo hu se wo atride malaria ibi ansa.
ayo se time me TIME time heba mesha afi malaria fever bi adani ziva ewo mu no ebe trako FDA ahwe edwadie nkwato yi mo agi atomo se eye
ati oi
honey and never surprise oh Edusa Herbal Mixture any Edusa Herbal Capsules and no who dread a day you could debrel who said that will complain with sissini cocoa epe ajiwakade Edusa Herbal Mixture any Edusa Herbal Capsules and no who drag a sepan and neck you could debrel winning a yama money mema Edusa Herbal Mixture and you Edusa Herbal Capsules and your cocoa necessary drink a sepa
Edusa Herbal Mixture.
Any Edusa Herbal Capsules. Miss Rotsnasi. Na men serve.
Edusa Herbal Mixture. Any Edusa Herbal Capsules. Emma meme jina brani. Na eye me.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wase se me brabo we.
Sudi,
Maybe come on, mammy, I drum one.
Hey, what does ye? A ye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Koneko Judy.
What can keep ya
I'm sorry. Obie Timinumbi. I just happened for 1 woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ahwehwɛ saa adwade nkrato yi mu agye atum sɛ ɛyɛ
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Kumawood TV aba amansane yena yedimu Sini papa bena upe biasha amansane winyano baby Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu
Enya drone yandro e drone ni esayade Axco Herbal Capsules team ene mi koko na ha mi bebrebe eyi ni nyina afri ho
Mewura mi anye bai me nso metimi anom Axco Herbal Capsules hi
metimi anom bedodo na woni XP Herbal Capsules eno ne ma me sisi yade ni nyina afri me so a ma me ho atome
XP Herbal Capsules hi na ma ni jaba nso di bibiasio XF Herbal Capsules e boost your immune system
ejento so de usisi da bia chia na ebi chia kan ho
me sisi ndi aka ho
XP Herbal Capsules ebe boa mo sisi na ye kama
tu pass say one mama ho ato
ozo de hwe me
hey XP Herbal Capsules fama me so me kwanu we
unya anye dan no
yiwani
mura ni be da nya bi
ax no pay enye na ewo Herbal ene pharmacy shop dodo na mu bia
da onya mfie dumi no apemfo ene oba o manofo entimi mfasa adru afana
amaya wode foforo
FDA ahwehwesa ejodi enkrato yi mo age atomo sei
If I shop, I'm sure you're bad.
Brother, and not so good.
What time about Michelle and see about Queen? Why me say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, as your Jimmy me fearful, and Yadia about ever so.
Really, do this offending now.
Bra, some make us a midi time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria, where drawn time about Misha.
And you know, dear, no more to want to meet any deal. What drawn a time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. Dear woman for down for any aquada when you fear doom you know, and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. Shasa Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME time about Misha. I feel malaria fever than is Ziva a woman. Never trouble. FDA Asha Dready in Kratui mo aji atumo se eye.
Adi oi
honey never surprise oh Edusa Herbal Mixture any Edusa Herbal Capsules and no who dreaded there you could brew who's a dow complaining with sissini cocoa epe ajiwakade Edusa Herbal Mixture any Edusa Herbal Capsules and no who dreaded Casepanere you could brew winning
Right, yes, I am Aquara and Famra Sinopi on Kumawood Television. You go so Edin Comagen channel 0202668464 the baby Yam Rene to me I can kind at the amount. So while last of you administrator at the NDC Ashanti region. Sakwaba.
Yeah, Dan.
You be about there.
Oh, you think me? You think me? Yeah, what did I say about it?
Is it Haka Crebu? None in a force you.
1970 na have a work. No more directed the for Namite.
Namite. Okay.
Namite or Namite. So Harry and in boxing. Now dance boxing promoter. Even Donkey. Also senior blues are fita. It is having them. You know, almost 24 can I time that you be Kayumu. Dako and Canada, and I call everything. You may yank and 50.
But Eddie will be away there. Obana is excellency. My president.
Okay.
Nanabi. Akwaba. If you just for be on here. Regional chairman no here. Okay.
The day I'm to say the call in Asabia Babish.
Sure.
I feel last year, and yet I fear a boy will cry. Send it here. As a Zabia, yet here, young Cosette said the Andrew Wallace time. Who made you? Your wife, your tears in your wife. You won't go to the Yanganza.
I don't go anywhere. COVID-19 or 2020 Biancho. Oh, Biancho, baby, Hannah.
Everybody, Ariancasa.
Sure. The last time Kanaka said, go to
politics, you know, near Media, dinner for year, blue babies, I wouldn't need you. Wounds are not a hotel.
Yeah.
They say they are okay. COVID will be anti.
Amen. But when you in Chemo, yes, we didn't go. I'm bamboo here.
So, did you ever be how? I don't the money you know. Say, one more who buy protocols, one for you. Who's that Ghana for your sword? Say, in Dinzy, Bamitico. You remember COVID-19. My name had a crew. And the drivers were just looking at me. Obi do what? How many months would name me? And Nijina, who drew a busa, no smacks way. Only be gentlemen, my director want to be. And a lot of people, especially among Casa Motoni and Macro Crum. No smacks, don't know one. Mamincia Celestina. Okay. Santasi.
Oh, okay.
Mamincia. Only say, yeah, really, yeah. The meaning is this a soldier for the general so. And not the old so for me. Only maybe I mean, say, maybe I'm maybe a railway police station. Nam different was and what makes you out? Maybe so. No, my cat was it too.
Okay.
And Nick, I couldn't more Mosua Sakaya you
telephone
or more bit me. I am of just said, walk up around, will be one you beside the do at the account.
And I said, well, then a man is one now, only Shibinua, once is still my national. Say, I don't know one or they are so near Menum. We in the Manaman, or so coffee, no cost on Yemenum. One way or ba, and so cosum.
A dear serious. Yarian one, a dear money whom he said, oh, you may be an innocent person, but will be
negligence, disobedience.
What dear Nisumania, and the baby. You're more home by Minia. You're more home by Pana. Me, a mammy to me book me pockets at to talk, and a unity, no smarts who drew a Yuana unicorn house or was that you are no more Tom Fools? He drew a hood in me yet fire. Me yet fast, Minia. Almost free said, who can't a big ray, and no way I drink a shot them. But I will be free on now.
Many hello FM, a one hour day, a quality proper. We said on your right.
Yeah.
I said maybe a for no stadium for taxis no load.
Yes.
About Fubio. I spoke with them. I said, Monche, and I'm Monche, oh, boss, we in the area, and I shall I a human into me into a year to Hakra.
Onim said the Oba Tom of one. I won't see you for the Baba. And almost sign
oh, yes.
Instead of better to woman, now, the range, Mummy, some women, and son. Back on shall no problem, but on channels, no, you says will be. I don't can review. In the moment, I will be you, the everyone, on only the end of the year. You will have a Santa Rita, you will have indiscipline you too much. They say, come, it's not be a more, not me, your campaign.
One now cause so this indiscipline in the region. Is it not more among your food, especially the NPP and NDC?
Make me crack, I say, yes, true. Am I your phone? Yes, true. Say a bit discipline and go for it. It's true because it's Rosie a bit loose. But, Bible can say, we have the pa. And now, Oza Kada, Yazid Abba, baso
abosoba na major
nipa ejapai enem etilitini nipa so woni obatifie na da bia woya de bi TV ho no atambo na wato na bonche watambo no ato na bonche dako obeto amanani agina amana ade na bo TV no amana pai e so bonto trying to man things I don't know oyen a bit thing I say because you use money what is got and the koto here feminia yen feni ye say once o my am be break call lockdown you bet me akọ the man is suro kra no and I went to tech campus we call graduate secretariat or graduate studies no secretary we call now students ni be brain ni mu a omo nche
akrate fo na ewuraba fo no oye ebetumi akan ya te ase so da yare besiti no omo mu adi no na omo immune system na I know so omo de ne be active ba wo free ho no de wo be ba campus wo free ho akofie e de akwa yi obi no so enti me sro so wo ko campus a shebi shemi de ne sa ma she radio so no kazani TV so kazantia ma shemi de ne ba bia me du bia me she ibi mi di kra no na mi zuru se me ya to wo di ya so twe ho free e bia nipa bi ho distance and also quite another way we go be a ton watch kuku near the idea nipa na ba pie so
ko bia yi ni bia bra basic school so kwa dia
basic schools no
yes Friday na you be here unse abai ede policy bi ba ya na ho bua na times delay una unse transition muzo a na e woni ti u ba ye bibi afra na also we careful because odi obi be so se won ye bibi e so so won sign contract bia e hono so no yakase empe enkwala no be school omo ehia note math omo hia eniema ya sa PPEs no omo hia ma sabre yensai contract bi yensai the minister on the ministers will be taking oath and sana ya the so mo sa sana ya bitumi na mo timi ai the brain no mu ala ne be brain
but eno na mo kan ya na mentia se
e ni kwa se me ba na wo se ya prepare me nim die o pushi Ghana enkwada no life no ya atrecho na wo fo so wo fia omo yare bi asa yare we ko ka ho a ene new waves ni so a wo se ni wa yi so ba obi ho kra ka wo se fifre e ka kra na obetimi akondra no 3 days pe wo se we ni 2 weeks we ni 3 days pe na wo ko hwe ne nipa
so far Ghana 361 deaths and are recorded
penifo no bebre I mean, here, the year we for Dr. Mokutu. I mean, here, on a mom, Yako. Papa knows our brave one people. Mestre, a buy a check a year long overdue, say security operators, no, and now pay a regional dissect, regional reset, or Montana say. Young Concord Event District in the no dissect. Omunina since I said, on much police one. I yet do man.
I understand that Central Region the best started on Monday. But because
say baby nebi. Yabian the bit miaka, baby nebi. Because the breaks are in Nipa Cookroom have Monday, Nami Cookroom, bro. And enter one of the days in Zotoy. And Monday with you so no
Tuesday no
Monday ni power kro
so ko na be school from
yes and ni power kro ma utimu say obi epeka sadran one dey cause no smart try before you me no bia utimu she me kwa and me bag girl and na she be owo
esa no ko bi gba say AI cost 90
it's mesre adeno eni ye omu say your transitional period anema emu say won for me abai wie ya na ending because won say bin say me can say this presidency no the next form and na president the next form na bibia covid the yibi no de yenyi yenkomu ni yenyi ni ma bi na protocols no PPEs no emra bonten
na say ya to abawi like on penny the bar say some ministers action that no enche ɛna all along nyinaa ne nim sɛ ɛnyɛ dan ana ɛbɛbie school nti ahoboa bɛn na yɛboaeɛ when did we even award the contract no a yɛka ho asɛm sɛ delay no ɛne ne kwan sɛ nka yɛtwɛn ɛma the various companies ɔmo bɛde yɛ ɔmo nsa kaeɛ no ɛbɛ supply PPEs no to the schools even to the district before koraa nsa na ebi anka ebie school. What is pushing the president to do?
Women, yeah, we teacher here also here, Mr. Ankawala also. Who say and but that's if you are almost 5 months ago. I check. Unim so more. Obi o wa so teacher near and anyone answer na dia own tia said. Na ma enkwada no addition say teacher for one kasakra na bibiri bom.
But a better say, when I listen to the best say, on the bone, than said Mamma School, no matter what I do, how better. Because when Peniaka said, a sergeant and more, or better close down the schools. So we will say, then say, I have my agents and move near close down schools now. Now for so many bars or say, you be schools now. And again, one penny or someone on Penicano. One can't say Ghana for say, PPs, I was a con and call you. Was it my making provisions? Meanwhile, so this one for me
provisions obey on kai and the last year no kikaza asemwe the last year
yeah
ne am say the Friday
yeah
and kwadano e call and say be one kra na wo de pokra na nye ba bia ne bedu enye ba bia minim say ade see ameka say sa ne ma na ba na de e wo no so say e bi gudamu akoye political parties ye t-shirt ya ye campaign ya ne de ube ye be campaign we na de gu dem me mo metro director abaso okay who say ne ma ni bi kagu edem ye bi school na o fade onike me boss e fa ye de call various schools e de poko chairman bada ye will be wo but will be wa o twanyama the best free cran about the cap one sana na agency abai de mean to be can to say be a permanent nado then so we are buying our own who say see a near my economy na shas here epic who said school for a BA school will be better year will be busy na system and then collapse you can meet me at that was a near my enko ye uko US more who say papa na ekesika and the amount enti bra the American say afiye yen yankasa Ghana for saban nyamfa maaya yen hye ye huzu yi yen mo ye hu bai woni nipa ne nam no nse bia ka tell se masa ade ne hye na ibetimi affect ye nyina e ka ye nyina so a na ne nyina so ye koi
that's true
enti mesre ayi banks no de dodo na wo se banks and institutions ne de wo be kono na still wo follow to kono pa FM stations radio TV stations wo be kono bi so mo ni mu a ma hu se bi so ade amo ye ne na so still ye omo mu di edwomufuo no se ebe ya ka emi provide this animal na nipa no so eba kromu no yente so kakra
I know how do you control it first na me nko hamra na
obi wa okokromu ongoye je bra say on say sa ya mra na omo ye wo lockdown na nipa ni bi ho omo timi tene no onim di ba bi kro
so okohe ya say ya to market mo akohe say
ampa so obi so ko je ne girlfriend onim die
bi ko akoto nchene
obi bebre enipa so ubetimi ehun se nipa bi okosa se CCTV cameras no eye adwuma pa ubehun se nipa no okose no asaba otimi kose ya no asaba wo se wo tumi se wonam kromu no o me ye hwe enti anu so yebetimi mama popo se won koye bibi important and se wo bre e kromu ko te en ko pe ya re no en fa mre ofie because wa bre wa wo fie na wo ko no akoko no hwe ebeye ya se obeto funadaka 4,000.
Okay, mame nkwa o mano so enkodi nkomo mame ne lawyer Ibrahim Amaleba NDC legal team member enkodi nkomo lawyer what me kan me mo acha nwumre nyame adom ide manya nte yese ase wondo do kakra ba ye ya ne be hawo fache na ye ratio spirit recovery so yo whatever ma Supreme Court issues it me say nyame adman ka 26 be court na trial no atoa so so enyantia say match krata de akoma Supreme Court say ebe ya ontwe ensesen akra enyina so no ene say de yatene no kra
ya no kra mo kai say the application call say the person Supreme Court no my kwan na yam bisa Jim Mensa 12 questions be and on Bogu now yeah application for review ebia mamen can say appeal but enam say you need higher court against the Supreme Court no your friend application for review.
Okay.
What you are saying? So we are more or less appealing against or more ruling that almost a baby or more marking and my without more questions. But your friend in the Supreme Court, your friend application for review.
Okay.
Now, apart from that, you know, the request in so called. So your person inspected EC's original documents via Ewa or Muslim and then original coalition sheet and other documents. I was Supreme Court on them. Into near can say 2 documents were application for review no and request for those documents no, would have an impact on the case. Into Munchen na we and no answer na ya to that's the only thing we are doing.
Na no have 42 days court no person come di asemi
2 days
42 days court no person omutimi ediwi asem no the musiki for you no entimi ha and delay case no
yo me no ka say CI 99 na and so you use 42 days no e ka say you use 5 days and you play trial so you see 2 days in kwa after 3 days but the annual year then so there's no delay the applications now ya filing so and just say EI no I can say 42 days and just say those applications no let me get you that's not what it means.
So far Supreme Court ajatu mu say omo accept my application mo dey akono ana
oma my 26 na ya be kono oma my sada na so that we can move our motion for stay of proceedings into sada no the business of the day ebe ye application for stay no because if I stay pay the dear and me question that stay is dealt with.
Lawyer what I say man file this application na say nsam no to aso koso a koso a dear pa na be ha adwene won nsam kanum
12 questions na ye bisa say the person bisa easy no ya dia kumamo now those 12 questions also yes me ebisa ebe market in so if we had 50 questions during cross examination no 12 no you interview but and yes it will mean say Mona Mokasa said 42 days. It will mean those questions we have to ask them and Obian to me say questions from Jai so that's one and a two so listen person in the south you see for a car say declaration of the results no omo efa ekwanpa and omo declare no. In other words, say it was in accordance with law. Na adon and omo suru say ombe answer question so. Nanka many is in the crampo because meje tum say election plan no and also declaration na me no na me fa kwan pa man wi amma obia nanka many is in this nanka me fra John Mahama and the lawyer na ma bie ma pono keka come and respect what you want. But what the application for na ya protect no. What the application for na ya protect no. Then my question is, how do we get to the bottom of the matter? One person won't answer question. So how do we get to the bottom of the matter?
But lawyer, if I understand you right, these same questions no could be asked during the main trial. Cross examination no course no. In the other than young found cross examination no.
No, but the posture, you see, I mean, I've moved away from whether or not we can ask, but the posture, the beer and Nikutri Yamwa, the beer and Nikutri, what are you afraid of? And that's what you Ghanaians are not talking about. And one said NDC is delaying, NDC is delaying, but mom bisa say na ada na easy omo oppose questions and na ye di kwa omo pese o maye adan. Don't we want to get to the bottom of this matter? That is where I force the media and those who should understand what we are doing.
Ebet me about say Supreme Court ebet me attend more request no down. Now if it happens so what will be the next line of action?
Oh, this court that we have gone to, 6 million Ghanaians now voting now. Yeah, MPP one o'clock after you see Nanya Sano. And then not any NDC for. There were genuine Ghanaians who just wanted this government away. Your problem saying. Okada for the from saying or more musical war from those places no. These were not NDC people. These were genuine ordinary Ghanaians who think that government will have not performed to their satisfaction. It's course now and they are watching. That's why it's telecasted.
Okay.
Course now we want to satisfy them for them to know sir. We didn't just sit back and didn't do anything, and that we try to protect their votes, and that's why we went to the Supreme Court. So there's a court of public opinion, and there's a court alone, legal court. If the legal court, public opinion are watching, they are seeing. That is another section of the Ghanaians who we want to satisfy.
Witness statement and I was Enra Mutimi Ehena Mudim Wujumano, Mutimi Irene Adeco.
Sir, you can say a monthly answer. If you say, a monthly answer, nothing goes. Into you can affidavit in the documents now, yes, Niano, the issue on them. Those documents are very critical and important for our witness statement. You see, I don't want people to be talking about speed. Let us open the stomach of the crocodile and see what kind of animals it is swallowing. So let's do this thing properly and everybody will be satisfied. Now me, I don't understand. Speed. When we say you are establishing court that you see court, not court, you know, you put a say, it is about justice. and not speed. And I make a train couple. If you want speed, go and drive on the motorway. We would ensure, sir, we will expose the issue. But if they don't have anything now, they shouldn't run away. There's information going out, so almost for agents said they should come and sign new things. And everybody's quiet. How our democracy wants to go.
You know, if from agents say,
oh yes, I'll send you a press release. You are signing from the party and asking all our agents all over the country not to accept those invitations. I'll send it to you.
Wow, I'll be very grateful for that. Now, easy.
Look, and yes, sir, somebody cannot live under Akufo-Addo's government. We've lived the first year. Next 4 years we can live. But the democracy, is being bastardized with the way Jim Mensah is handling the affairs of issues. Mamina Nkata, she's the problem. She's so willing. Fair. And EC should be behaving. What is a democracy? And all
so we be a artist me now what do I do in the book before can
okay. Well, I hope sir we can get to the crunch. Now me know you know this democracy, let's start the democracy. The whole world see Ghana's democracy as one of the best.
Yeah.
But Mama will buy it. IPAC, for example, she has turned IPAC into information sharing or mobile, no discussion. Maybe a couple of ideas. How?
Yana say nyumre Kubawu TV yana stars nyina da asese onyamre de ama yana ahwefo na yatifo edim se emran no yebenya na yetimi ene wadi nkoma mo yenchirimu said the ensem no esi ekoye yensa we show spirit recovery.
Send me your number. I'll send you this memo that I'm talking about.
Okay, lawyer. Okay, we do that right away. Right, lawyer Abraham Amaliba, NDC legal team member, and a Motene Kanu Chirimua, Omo, Inti Omoko Supreme Court no, and a Omo Etimi Adiatuja, especially Omo call for the stay of prosecution, and watch him say, and no Amaswa, M1 70 no cra, must not to try into the nombraso, named me M1, Emma and Samono, Edi intimi Enya and Tentem. For no Sima me on COVID-19, just 30 seconds, I'm in call, Sawala Swamba.
Abanya responsible. Okay. Na said the onion.
Okay.
Ghana for sorry ayeko. Imams and Kramofoso sorry Musoko. Omomo modia no mon kantire wo mon krofo. Into the fear for him for be involved because first 1 year will be back for the nti afeyi eye key Ghana for enyai kakabinsem enro obi ka kire no saa area wa ka no say eni ho covid here ni it doesn't
right
ebinya no nti na ka me bompa ye se na me wo na me dia ye no
okay
na nka wakofie nwa ko hu se covid na
e wa na say right so Wallace minti on covid
yo but ayi we busa no mama ya o si memo no if one atre
I say NDC I say Ebeba ndi
NDC
dear
NDC
no memo no one is
easy and actually no dey come round
I say was easy na actually nti ono be for the bia breme nti so minti
o se Ebeba
ba wonya sa
we Ebeba onya dia no body taskeli o le kobe yo wa na last year the match over
yeah
and the BP for me but the BP no the way at that time no Ronaldo Danko for the president of Ghana in Ghana for na so na because the preaching will be able to say I didn't eat it means say nipa in the sad time na elementary schools na secondary schools na training colleges, universities, because of all these. And if we can't go then if you Accra, Temani, Kumasi selected constituencies as a district, my I
only know greater Kumasi and greater Accra.
Yes, we need greater Kumasi. Intinya diani di kama so ntineye ade no ba mo bi ebu say we must be aware say sadi we energy say Mike time no say what tika mu kra na news max bi mo wa na u follow person the cry from to say you have to do it say me ba so pula na me ba ha so na me tu say u pia omo checkpoint anom biska omo cross ba adekwa no with the rope no ma be inspecting passengers here tika no what will you do either say obetubi abo anaso mbesi na say do put the driver on nti ade ni eduma kama koswa kama na yen NDC for the before say COVID no ban they dika parliamentary primaries 2019 application in parliamentary candidates every we are starting the presidential primaries. Basic 2019 December, we 2020 February, and yeah, to about year presidential candidate. March, and I said by a way, Amadi.
I thought a parliamentary candidate or presidential. Because Mahama was elected earlier, even than the
20 February.
John Ramani Mahama?
2020 February. You declare the parliamentary primaries, no. Parliamentary candidates, no, delegates, no, move to. It's a declare parliamentary primaries in 2019 and the 2020 August, September, thereabouts, no open nomination for presidential primaries. So, and the year, na 2020 February, March, and the 2 about for the presidential candidate. And I'm 90-something%. That was February 2020. About this time last year. Here the and son a COVID number. COVID number we are Niema stabilize ya obi a hunu sadina ihu a ya kan bu dem. And MP before starting omo ye. Omo primaries. So eno na e ko ba say na mutumi ye primaries ya. And the son just ade no e ko. So onu amu ena electoral commission e ka say o ye new voters register ono so na sa COVID time ya ebuan so na nkola na almost secondary school ya ma be na fie form 2 form 3 na do dan ko ekufo do ma o ko school nurses no we the idea was form 3 for the idea was say omo ko ye exam studies kakra no omo dey exams no omo in the academic year but perhaps the suspicious hidden agenda and then say encourage you right for registration 118 it's almost school media ebetimi enya omo register ye the free senior high school aye campaign am omo vote ama and I do dan ko for it from that time no and you lose guard from that time no and you lose guard and you didn't want people for your primary year presidential and you year and you got to aba
near campaign
and I'm near the campaign and it's a side you musa anti campaign rallies we no I just say lose guard no cry completely at protocol not for actually intimidate say enumu no and I didn't we mu a idi guna we di January and I did to that say I didn't asaba yache Nana government was trying to play the devil's advocate. Me who sadina ba and I community so am guys elections in value. So now and it's 27 November 2020. Dr. Kuma Abwadi, Director General of the Ghana Health Service. You know what he said? That time campaign anyway was say political rallies not cause of rising COVID-19 cases. That's Dr. Kuma Abwadi. Graphic online. Most I'm looking sorry.
Political parties campaign like massive.
Political rallies. The affected don't come in.
So the Director General of the Ghana Education Service, Dr. Patrick Kumabwaje, had dispelled the notion that political rallies are the reason for the rise in the number of coronavirus cases in the country. He said even though majority of party supporters at the political rally do not adhere to COVID-19 preventive protocols, such as the wearing of face masks, the risk of infection was low because those events were held outdoors. They occurred in November. The Americans say, "Wait a minute, that is all cancer. I didn't know. What can we do? We need more. Can we, the Ghana Medical Association for South Ghana Medical Association say, we see as a 10th January 2021. Political activities partly cause of rise in Ghana's COVID-19 cases, GMA. The General Secretary of the Ghana Medical Association, Justice Youngson, believes political activities partly contributed to the recent spike in Ghana's COVID-19 cases. And Walker said, the Director General of the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Patrick Kumabwaje, had earlier dispelled. When you call a head of the Ghana Health Service, one was yes, and yet political rallies in the Adino Ghana Medical Association for most Ghana Health Service for us. It will top and yes, I net here. What was I say? No, was his sign it here. See the contradiction? Politician, no, since a civil servant, no, as in the sign it here. The ocean as here, no, as a silent here. The confusion, no, just a starting here, but one watch, you know. So for immediate past Chief Justice of Ghana, 18th January, and or say rallies, parties, other super spreader events responsible for spike in COVID-19 cases. My jaw line, the chairperson of the board of trustees for the National COVID-19 Trust Fund has blamed political parties during Christmas and other super spreader events for the spike in Ghana's COVID-19 cases. Okasa was joy news. In the Director General Ghana Medical Service Chief Justice immediate past essay and now him Papa ne friend na Asante Bedia too. Secretary to the President. In Tisenka adie ye bo hu dawro ni we bia. Senka wa wo ye Executive Secretary to the President no. Wo bo dawro bi ba wo. Kan we educate ni papa wo. Hwɛ. Nana Asante Bedia too marries long-time girlfriend Femi Aditola. Nana Bediatu Asante, Executive Secretary to the President of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, has tied the knot with his long-time sweetheart Femi Aditola. The colorful event took place at the St. Francis Cottage at Nswam in the Eastern region. You know when this went on? This went on the 26th of December 2020. 26th of December 2020. Yes, I did. Over here, one very big part. Sandbox Beach Club. Now Sandbox Beach Club okay. Beach. And now the bank for during Christmas time. All the beach resource centers in now closing down.
And your Christmas COVID never in or close to down.
And at Christmas no same munchine. My police for near soldier for and then number. Sa particular we sport here. The alcohol, the beer and the hole. Because the Executive Secretary Asante Bedia too, our sa obey and Obana na ene dia. Sandbox Beach Club na Obana Asante Bedia too, our na Aditola no. Ono and Anedia. So India how say then President Nana Akufo-Addo's Executive Secretary Nana Asante Bedia too has married in a traditional wedding. Now the event took place on the 26th December 2020 Boxing Day. Now wa wo esa wo hwe mambra na yeduma wo akoye wedding we why a party what do we party no oye wedding no I believe strongly say Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo no nkrofo no bi ekobi by all means because around that time they send them so for Christmas London Nana Addo around Adino so okudi bonya obucho na yegua
Asante bedi etuo na ama
nti asante bedi etuo na aha menka se ono a onim se esese oye we ono no ma example so bia nko ware obi awia nko ye party na ade no entre so ahu sa de tie o na we yachi no ana sa ade Sophia Akufo so no ye chairperson for the
COVID-19 relief.
God on where they was it then December 28th, 2020. COVID-19 Trust Fund has provided over 40 million Ghana cedis in relief packages. So far, 40 million Ghana cedis in relief packages. No, 40 million Ghana cedis. One watch no Teddy Wasaka was say Sa COVID fund no I generated about 57 million Ghana cedis.
Yeah.
And ye dimu over 40 million Ghana cedis. Because ye di 40 million Ghana cedis no nim the Bank of Ghana for so abeka. Bank of Ghana COVID-19 stimulus cost is 11.2 billion Ghana cedis. Bank of Ghana 11.2 billion Ghana City, Bank of Ghana for the Casano. Okay. And it's Addison, yeah. Governor. The government spent in excess of 11.2 billion Ghana City to provide relief for citizens to mitigate the adverse effects of the COVID-19 pandemic. Where you see Bank of Ghana for Yadi buy in about 1 billion from the World Bank.
Yeah.
In a bit 300 million from the from the first heritage fund. Sika we nyina chino and they suspended 11.2 billion. Omo di COVID sika no bi no omo doso papa o because enim ba bi asa sika nyina fae. Na onim 20th January yenra COVID-19 came for nurses. Ghana Registered Medical Nurses and Medical Association says you are now omo nurses. Mami for me nurses. Abu shayare for no imu enan ewu last week ya omo na omo no me contract treaters last year omo mbuhwehwe omo ni omo si government omo sign contract on the 1st of April 2019 omo ye duma na to see 19th April 2019 sa period dey abane pia omo ka info omo enye abanu habo omo pia omo ka info enti Kumawu TV ewo hasisi e na me ka de o maka o Kumawu TV ewo ha yi e na me ka se wo say after 19th of April 2020 from 21st of April omo ye aduma na ma month na end day May nyina omo ye ko see 1st of June from 20th April 2020 to 1st June 2020 no ye twa kaprema omo and because of that almost say abandon because of contact tracing via Lara. They no go do that. In Abandon for Musikama, because Muka is carried to walk or be a scanner codino, Muko Imra. Okay. Now for more, I was if saw me contact tracing now. No, my not just say Ghana for your home. I can tell you. Okay. Now COVID the American farm.
Right. I was go so Sinopi on Commonwealth Television. Bajan channel bra 0202668464 Facebook drop a comment na enyamre engen kan emfa COVID-19 yare na yare mo de say obehwe huye na entumi emwa hwe huye na wankofa obi amfa. Well, another issue more NDC the border court court go see the assembly then court NDC for say afale stay of prosecution mentio on this issue maybe I remember 5 minutes na enyamre ahwe the issue of appointment and nominations
court ko ye nyina na ye elect council for Don Mahama Chikata judges and so on nyina o tire obi ade nti ye kan o mo nyimra na ne ma tire wade a tra ya usu nyimra no film ho no at least ye waste king na say menchewa and I said me no ye pa untimi nkyɛn
okay
nkyɛn wa na sɛ woni me nye pa untimi nkyɛn
not at all times
and I'm say exceptional I just want to mention be group level na say o chair media enye normal
that is it is normal
enye normal
it is normal because you see won kwa meba
enye normal possible
won na we teacher na o kire ma de no but the other teachers omo books near ade wo ha metumi asua bi aka chair de wo asua no
saa de nyina me masua bi na me kire wa de
oh it's not possible say wo no wo asua nyina
at the university level at the university level I know.
I know.
A lecturer at the university for about 20 years. I never know.
You go into new school.
Because it's normal. Okay, it's possible, but it's normal. Makumbi. So, na Chikata council for the Adina or Kandi. And now, oh yes, Jimensa Electoral Commission. Why is he? Amigati. Obieda no tio o say Justice Amikache no o ka kire Kufuado say na Kufuado Mr. Oka say Justice Amikache says Mr. Chikata, why wouldn't you limit your references to the office rather than the personality? It seems to me your attack is with the personality and not the office. He calls the mention of a name an attack. We will be happy if you limit it to the office and not the EC, because in her absence any of her deputies could step in. Chachu replied and said, respectfully, my lord, there is only one returning officer for the presidential election, and that is the EC chairperson. And the Justice Amigachi Saba said, let's leave it at that. Chairperson of the Electoral Commission and not her person. Chikata said, but my lord, she is the chairperson and she has a name. Or I'm not allowed to mention the name of the chairperson. Amigachi said the question should be to the office. The year can say, Amigachi now or address here, they say, and this all bought the mention, and they saw because electoral commissioner or Kasa, say Chikata, or the led counsel for John Dramana Mahama. I didn't only refer to Chikata as led counsel. No, but Chikata didn't. So don't see a institution. Let council, Mr. Council, Mr. We also your bot Chikata din. In this whole bombing, Mamina, 9th of December, Yenina near Tiha. Our bobo abandoned Ghana or electoral commission. And the dimension of the electoral commission. In this time, Mamina, boy, I mean, Bonnie Dean, Jim Mensa, the chair of the electoral commission, was in money. A drew by big cross, Mamma, or the Jane Adukwe Mensa, Nasa Duque Mensa. Say a Mensa, your Mensa, your Mensa. You will Nako, Yawa Ufuri. Nina, and yet a decona. It depends on choice, you say. Now, a D crowd or bottle crowd, you will say we are. Now, a month for Adria Mona said, na Ade. Mamuti in electoral commission, no, the Supreme Court. And all my chat at that was a that do say, and the Diabano, Assemno, near Bua. So now Hano was say, Supreme Court give timelines for the election petition. Now, or say, they now be filing, inclusive, no. Almost take 42 days. Is that the 9? As Antimo said, the 9. Until say, day 1, a filing of petition by the petitioner. Dana, until day 1 of the 41 days, as a 42 days. Hopefully, I 41 days. Now, we are day 10. A deadline for first and second respondents to answer. The 10, the 15, a hearing begins. On the 15, the hearing day proper begins. And day 21, hearing ends. And it's already assembly. Hearing ends on day 21 now. Now the next 21 days, omo de ahwe mu a na omo de judgment aba. One, the filing case on the 30th of December. The 30th of December no day 1 31st say day 2 31st
okay
and the date here say 22nd what the 2 no can 22 no one say 24 meanwhile here is supposed to start day 15 by 24 day here no starting so here no best start Tuesday 29th or so.
Okay.
The Tuesday 29th no. Now all the 2 days in December no become what? 27, 26, 26 Tuesday. All the 2 days no become one. No already what 28 days. What more than half.
Okay.
So and sana ade amen tiase kura anyway.
Ana dey.
Asem na nkasa no. The starting on Tuesday 26 that. There is 6 days in the day asem. In the NDC Don Mahama presenting the case, interrogations, whatever, now, the mention the EC, almost become myself, we are another down quite good. I becan them, I told to Omano, Nina, according to our timelines, no, and now I come up 6 days. And now I come up with some go by the time you under 21 days. Now, Omombe, Ebe Boisem. I don't do for Makum. Almost 21 good days, 3 weeks.
They need time.
And that's not now they need time to present our day. Don't we need time to present our case? Who's even presenting the case in 6 days? I could for don't presenting it the way they are together in 6 days. You are presenting the 6 days. Who be one? Who have 21 good days? Maybe the 6 days I can't say more. 21 days now they didn't want to be wasm.
But then the case is between the EC, which is the first respondent, the second respondent Akufo-Addo, and the petitioner John Mahama.
Exactly.
The other na acquire the NDC for na mono a hamo say as a timeline be no down na.
Other than people for so yodum. Omo for mo.
So mo say me no na mo say. One na mo de call parliament in Chief Justice at the court, you know, it was their course so on the 2013 election petition, and court no recommended that, and then Attorney General Brew appear, okay?
No, the court. Chief Justice at the buy.
Yes.
The Chief Justice's office, George Nawood.
That be any one. That time the Echo Parliament, no, not Parliament. So why don't you focus?
Laws were made for man, but not man for the law. Sana making, as we speak, you know, say 21 days greater. Tuesday numbers in 26 days in January, and Sana 2 days in December, and then you 28 days.
My understanding, they say yes, Shetra and Asia, Pretra and Asia, and at least Nashasi. Well,
it starts from the day you file. Monsieur, I didn't know how to check it.
Okay, so you announced this nature. So what that?
Me say.
Okay, yes,
me say. Mama Jimenez, I look Jimenez. I can't me no. Say Akufo-Addo here Rebecca Niaba. I Akufo-Addo niba. I can't. Say no credit, say no credit, on try and on tune and Wabu Baba on the 9th of December. Ose Akufo-Addo, president of Ghana, a certain number of votes. Now, that number of votes, who divided by total number of valid votes cast. Now they multiply 100. Now the Danko Akufo-Addo, 51.95% into what declared the president. And yes, so far, some figures now on one dimension, electoral commissioner, no, edit to Ghana. Or say I didn't count, Techiman South and count. Also, offer some figures now, they will say Akufo-Addo Nyayen. President Akufo-Addo Nyayen. Divided by one total number of valid votes cast. Now multiply by 100. We have 51.95. We have 50.09. In the honor, there has been an error. In the Asima Menomra, Supreme Court for him. No one repeated your count of 2029 December. Now one country say, Sir, we know kind no. It is sir. I did think also why mistake no be corrected. On tray a time we yes I mistake no nature of the mistake again 50.09 no what yet one Over correcting mistakes, no, so as I correct mistakes.
Those can be done during cross examination.
And I said, the idea coroner, the idea coroner.
Okay.
Or no, Chino was without Techman South. The Techman South, the Yina Kra can't John Mahama one. A Kufuado will still be the winner because you get still be the 50% plus one of winner. What is John Mahama? Techman, the Yina can't John Mahama one. Denominator now was here, Bali broadcast, my sister. So it's in 50.09. So the count one denominator no ever see. It's already by the one by the new denominator and multiply by 100. Or below 50, when you're 49 point something. Mahama so be 47 point something.
That is all things being equal. Say Mahama nyani na. Of which a two abano so. Okay. And I'm also results. I'm 50.
Results not better. Chiman, you 52,000 and something. Now do you 46,000?
To the count one.
What they count on that Mahama Kufuado said they count on that number being increased now multiply by 100. 50.099, never 49 point something.
Okay. Let's leave it to
49 point something.
Okay.
In your 50% plus one.
In your court. In your court. You seems to be comfortable with the way court no edi asem no. Your party as an MPP as a mwatomo muse bia okay court no ebo djuma yinya na manamo djuma en content him and this for na person content him. Why that stuff?
Say any idiot can go to court. Now the chief idiot is in court. What? Say any idiot can go to court. I don't know more who rare size. When you are my young question. Court who's a you call 8 months 2013 8 solid months a delay process a delay near be brave say no be crowd business to do with government or so mukakra because you won't be that
mujidi say NDC forum can say Mahama etwa 3 years no. But what you are saying, it means it is true. It is true because court now mo call you know. What they have party no. And they are buying and there was no management judgment. What you are saying now?
Me and net pay the American knows what they say. So was he an idiot can go to court? Chief idiot now is in court. The boy. And that the American say it drew baby who's a near who be that. You could be on for petition be and go court to that. The rates. So the American it says to say NDC incompetence no yeah na still also.
Oh sir.
Yes, still also. Almost the same. Bra. Ya to baby. Eko to abano na nsem bibre asisi.
Okay.
Hwe eya na America won say lawyer no o ka sendem. Me ba mkitu e bi za say no say memorandum say memoranda na. And number dey. Logo ye lawyer nsem bi za yanka.
Also omo we release all this send me chat. Me try so be send.
Omo no kra no omo. No techi mai. Omo anko so omo mfa ayi say pinchit
yeah collision sheet
no money ayi for na NDC ni report I say court da ho abobo no ya na yi bibi saa no mo pe NDC wishes kebe dibe ye woyie na kasem no kre ni nwie me ni problem because na do will still work so no or say for 3 years and what the year juma no entimi anya juma na no didn't pay no tua man for car no sign contract nyenu we no this KJT nyenu be no this KJT menia yen court me court mun sem ne de o ze e kon sem ne yen dai said the uncle wallace no ba jere say omunya 40 1 ne ya na ababi si na ze do na ze wuwa o we be jo content bit me acho but my young person no sa di bia no ka say ma me na dukwe na oboni din lawyer tikata eboni din na papa no me say na me judge na ka me push because you omo aguli nti ka me push tikata because you company law you see company a corporation omo institution no a corporate institution me boa enti wo si wa omo yi no ankasa kra no omo amfa anya no J-Mensa we omo file
electoral commission
yes electoral commission enti wo yi ni free mu a ye mfa ne so otena se bibi ye ni truth no enti nya nkotena wa how are you going to ask her questions for her to answer in the moon emu na akọ ne sebi so all the betro
yeah
then the deputies no betimi aye enti se na me ye judge na a me nya no ka me pushi akọ no makọ company law no me hu se wo si wa ye ti he se ngboka bibi ni esi wa na wo a wo ye djuma wa ye kwa ye bibi ni esi wa ye be siu company no wo tere me jwa wo in person no this wako di all the fame obi and nipa no betimi aye but wo ye kra na store the company ni din e betua to but omo ye no a personal attack you could say emra ye beto aba ye chance ye process nzi ye kwa o za dollars e bi be shame covid aye ni ma bi o say no mo bo J-Mensa but me refer she omampani Mahama Ghana way
okay
8th October 2015 was say allow EC to work. Mahama tells LMVC let my votes count for.
That was time one. Now almost a demonstration and any almost say new
Amariba omure fi say Charlotte was say no ye kutin so. When him so take committee bi Emma let my vote count in say ye be ya ye new register Emma sa jeje ayiwa we crabos
VC crab
sa committee no e dey ni see ye wunya sa report no bi kan omo jitu mu say ye nya aye no e so say Charlotte was say the take committee no our wish was that you say young vote young voter for because na ba we ade na yibi aba be gugu mama what omo fi yen enya no onye Charlotte say na koka say I saw it like it no obitin the akada so that was the logo
but I want you twem ho
baby me tell what
baby ejina na no ne say about to no ndc for say enema nko
omo ye enema check court me ba ye de ensem court no de ensem sia ene ko ye ensem sia ni nyina court no de azem no kan NPP ye de omo ye omo nko nim kasa che mi time wa papa ne di bu asem no
enye mutam ya na hopsna doya mo ne se John mo ne ade
e dey see
omo
lawyer no e dey see ayene oze
lawyer Dominic Ayini omo say ne interjections na doso
that is it also on your part of the legal team of John Mahama the make say omo ma kwan ma process no enko no nya legal gymnastic na omo ye to delay court no because we yet then we be share ma na busa dem
o won say star bia
omo di delay process no
to achieve what
say John Mahama knows because they call yen wan gan say yen ni abadema no wan ga say yen but ye dey call yen no 2013 ye catch them say abano we have won
depending on your evidence na na mo but so evidence of one chance we win na na don so win now they are proving in court now
one and America said dia hin one wan kasa so what is wakada dia no otimi kan is say a friend is saying but omofa the seat a parliament me boy we have won parliament and no crowd 140 is it true
okay you listen for a minute in town
the American say ye nyai court no me the problem with what Chikata is doing because what they didn't do and he's fantastic lawyer
right
I like it and then somebody was asking a question was say you didn't go to muno was out to me say was him say now uti and but say so akazi yenyai na host no ka say yenyai na say when your lawyer bia obe bisa papa no you good obetimi a frustrated system
okay
or frustrated judges in keke
I get frustration right
by we evidence yeah
okay
good
evening Sir Mike. The people of Joshua Onwe are most grateful to the NPP government for providing the free SHS bus and also taking up the school built by the community from Thomas Jan say Jan and the free Joshua Onwe at the Abba teacher okay I mean Masaudu from Masaudu in Bantama. President Akufo-Addo is hopeful that Parliament will see to the prompt approval of his nominees so they can assist him in the delivery of his for the second term in office. President Akufo-Addo will deliver regards to Honorable Kwame Asamoah Boateng, DCE, Jakubu. Teacher Constitution, you are more say also right. First of all, let me congratulate Nana Akufo-Addo for appointing competent people to work with. We, the communicators in Ashanti region, are very grateful to him for appointing Honorable Efria Kuto, the Agric Minister, again. We are also reminding him that some of us qualify for certain positions, so he can consider us. Okay. Good evening, sir. I'm enjoying your show. Kindly tell the NPP man to accept that it is their government who has created this mess. COVID-19, people are dying, and most of them are NPP. Okay, Jones, and so they are the abandoned. You try on Sima Emra, yeah, but every room appointment in the na yeah, the one so uncommon. Everybody is here.
If I show plan, I'm sure you're over.
Brad, and not so beautiful.
Not tell me about Michelle and see about Queen. Why me say?
Brad, said your time about Misha. It's your Jimmy me fearful. And you're about ever so.
Really, do this offending now.
Brad, some make us a midi time about Misha one dance ya. We are singing now about Timinka. It is some malaria. What run the time about Misha?
And you know, the enemy to want to meet any deal. What run the time about Misha? A drink and your ma or bar waffle through. The woman for down for any aquada when you fear do you and son of the time about Mr. Drabino. Shasa Wako Hospital and answer lab. I'm what who said, oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me a TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziva a woman. Ever trouble. FDA Asha Dready in Kwatsuimo Aji Atsumo say a year.
Adi,
honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and no who dreaded there. You could debrail. Who said that will complain with Sissini Cocoa, Epe Ajiwakade, Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and no who jack a sepan and neck. You could debrail. William, a yama money mema, Edusa herbal mixture, any Edusa herbal capsules, and your cocoa needs to see your real drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Rotsnasi. Namen sev.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme brand. Na yemme.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wase se me brabo we.
Sweetie, me be come mama adwa mo.
Hey. What dance ye? Aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kona kwa jodi.
What kaki? Yeah,
I'm sorry. Obie Timinumbi. I just appeal for one woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Asheshesa a dready and cat to him. Ajia to Muse a ye.
Kumawood TV. Amansane. Yena yedimu. Kumawood TV. Aba. Amansane. Yena yedimu. Kumawood TV. Aba. Amansane. Yena yedimu. Sini papa be na upe biasha. Amansane. Winyano baby. Kumawood TV. Amansane. Yena yedimu.
Right, yes, I'm Akwaba. We are live on Facebook. For the channel brand Enyam Rankin Kai. It to me Emfa Emau. Yes, the issue of appointment 46 ministers. And I'm Peniano Military Akakoma, the Speaker of Parliament, Speaker Bochi and at the Amada Appointment Committee of Parliament, almost na Omongo he na afi vetino omo enshastie. But I'm not say Kasase in fact, losing their position as ministers no ensure that amwa amanfo amwakasa ayatmanponwa for ekasa kofonso ekasa. And if you look at the regional breakdown, I mean Emfa Emau regions no distribution, Ashanti region 8 ministers, Eastern region 4, Bono 3, Greater Accra 3, Western 3, 2, Central 2, Northern 2, Western 1, Alpha 1, Upper West 1, Savannah 1, Uti 0, Bono East 0, Upper East 0, Northeast 1, and Alpha Vota 1. And no any regional distribution Abba. DB it is Kofi Jamesi, chieftains were free mu, Morrison a free mu, attaching and Kahu. I mean, I say free ho. Mintio on the president nominee of the Abba. Oshe ministers are the Omo Ebemu for the second term year. Compare the first. Now the regional balance can was. At the end of the moment, Penny Greater Accra 3. Now we are Santa Region 8.
It was a constitution in my president to appoint and disappoint.
Yeah.
It drew maybe a Ashanti region there. We deserve even more than that, but because of the was a regional balance now. I was a bum. Kenya 13 for
why? I didn't hear.
Ashanti region how many regions?
No, some can say I meant to ask you. Ashanti region and quality amoto, you know. Other regions also and 2 and 513,000. Kubenya de wini. And this a region be crown etwe. And now a hono winya even 500 vote crown. I can also tell you that our region and the money to be winning here. Because our region is going winning.
Wait, they say we're
for the main minister, they were deputy. They say and all these regions, 60 regions, no, will be a deputy view.
60 regions in there. Me Ashanti region, my deputy and campaign. Why you operations? Because
operations for what?
Oh, sir, a former Juma.
Minister,
minister, yeah, no normally took my court in Yamia or time control, say Abino and Yama or the Ashanti region. A was a regional deputy regional minister, Moti Amaya, a bay, Mancana, Obeshe, Ashe, all less, Obeshe, party Nankasa. Now they know what I know a party Nankasa. Oh, now she no boy because the name will be no corner. Yeah, the baby cotton anymore. For instance, Minister na Edna Basse or my boy region in Ano or her party. The being a party, yet me, how I'm not part of your place of her party. The being a party, what is wrong? See, me buy your cassette party. Me obi penensing, or penensing, that's a call, and I push to Nako baby. Let me free say, my meaning yes, it can do. Let me tell you, I'm not paying or my mia. And your bonnet, no one goes out beyond. You will never be below. If you come up for the all, I couldn't say, make us a better. Bro, I will so be at baby a year, Juma. Nanabachi, meaning as my mecano, would you wound, would be a could be baby 10 years. Santinipa could be baby 10 years. 10 solid years. Well, yes, maybe 10 years, or we could be baby 10 years. We can't release the person. I'm a money crew, Kakra. 10 years, Nani crew at the Ashanti region. When you're greater Accra, you're going to have a crew. Oh, now the point is that because of Wako Krasinti, I was saying, the original capital by 10 years. Oh, big banzo. 1 year was 7. Neighbor was 7 a lot. 10 years.
You live in your country. You are working under the four corners of your country.
Neighbor, you
are not comfortable.
They will be in Kano French or America. Nukre, I was here. Obia Yeduma baby 10 years. Now we'll pay transfer ako baby 10. Ako Kalikunzwa. And was on the bonnet.
Well, yeah,
ready American. I find a yard. And America say we need 2 million constitution in their money. I was so in any team of a mema or more a mood. Omo kasa e wom omo timi buama e krono e tumpon the ombe dwene outside the box so as I say osha mo akutufu I say school feeding yes on yes free SHS yeah na na do idea but e bonu enhihye mu bia osha US baby aduchum and the day okoye sa na money nyina no di ba be shi for no so man Minister of Education never. Okay. Until appointments in be manager say Imam Morrison. Free moment. School feeding. What hard doing papa wama your more caterers no a man ho achire wo papa wama bebre de ka o tue sika no atue bi na ka bi days no ono nko any time no the days say be nipa na ye 64 days. No ye payment instead say 64 days no obehunu atue mu be 54 10 days na aka no e ma bio it is am am no we you free say me dana say adwasafo yes adwasafo oba no o ma nani enwofo part here e ho no school feeding ho no problem ho pa o masa ye de ni be ko free SHS so wahu na free SHS no survival na foundation no so no are you weak because aduane ye de ba for a purpose bia wotifie na bia edidie mu keke kura na ska wanse ni bia o maamede ne bekon okono okonya ne lunch na otena mu a ebebo na epushi ma number no enrollment ne yede ekosoro ama ene eho no so yetinya achibu on enti ministers ni bia wayi o mu afiri mo dana adena me wo program kakra but me ne president so ebeye adwin mesre no your my wama health minister
yeah
your deputy no mesre no o manemra Asante Region man many beji I
didn't hear
me send me pedodo because Kumasi has to be developed me pedodo bra hospitals na ye business say do one so e was Asante Region onim sa nti me deputy minister obebo ama Asante man so etumpon he say president won fe nanim na Asante Region more interchanges are adu on grano ebi mra Kumasi
say monya national security from Asante Region monya
yeah times here
monya energy from Asante Region education Asante Region
where kama napo where kama pa napo you correct napo what was oko hwe adutu ni krom na nse ya hwe nkwada 30 wasa ko si hostel wo si hostel di ama ni krom fu we MP na wa anya sa de we ya
edutu ya say deputy no nya ya no de bo na krom fo and threaten na podi nya ya e try across
the na podi no say na hono na so what the boss sabre no say na say enti you know better but no bo amanfo me say me dia de ko to na ni oka okoye sa de ni ma me enti na amanfo approach wo hu ni chairman the friend say
Undumi
there not
chairman I've forgotten the name
me cry em wan see as me refi ni din here wo hu chairman be do wani no wo oni na tena se na nya no enti ministers ne there for instance the local government minister Damboche manage no papa bra o ti se ahoy nisu ene ne ban ti se ahoy onim local system no on we DC e wo so hu adwuma
okay
e wo say wo boa minim so best straight one eduru ba bi na MMDC is ne bebrezu o problem o na problem ni bebre wo bi me mu MPs ne de mesre wo omomo omani na ho MPs no woni obi ya adwuma ma ne nka ho en pamono
Okay.
Yes.
One way I buy one Ministry for Works and Housing. Company choose 2 ministers who Asenso Boache for Ministry of Works and Housing. And once I appointed nominate Honorable Frida Prempeh, the same Works and Housing Minister of State. What does that mean?
Ghana, when it's time of housing, friends, who's a woman penny before the outing. If you say, me come here to my school near Pusumi Mama as a teacher, I was saying to me, never beginning to me. Hong Kong was a road sector, a railway sector. When you are my way, is what big beer quite you got into a building, but to be a bit to me.
Is a Pitamako.
And that man, do you know him? He's a handsome man.
My worry is on Works and Housing. Asenso for Works and Housing. Then you still get another Frida Prempeh. Also Works and Housing.
Reason. Bruh, obey reason.
Job for the boys?
Not job for the boys. Not for the Benanado. On this Asabena near your foundation and Nipadodo. But housing one, Works and Housing one is a big problem.
Okay, so listen, you have a minister, our sector minister. Then you have the same ministry, no? And so
co-president,
Minister of State. Minister of State.
Me share a Honontin American.
Okay, more list, Asenso Works and Housing 17, and then you go to 30 Works and Housing Minister of State. I don't know, and so Honorable Frida Prempeh.
You see a list in Abani, details, meaning say you're going but if you are a best soon be a day will be a best soon be
a we are the mammy, a best will be a dear. Say your minister, because this one Works and Housing Minister of State, Honorable Frida Prempeh, and then you come here to have Works and Housing Honorable Francis Asenso Boache. I'm sure if you have yours, check. Okay, so Jimmy D na we are the 30th one amount. Whilst you are looking at it now, I'm Uncle Homra. Uncle Wallace.
Yeah.
Appointment Abba. Asante Region more Okay, check what I've given you. I'll add the rest. The rest is there. Check. Okay, so check 17. Mintio.
Sir Mike, yes, I check Ghana for na me my reminder say optional 23rd of January and MPP regional organizer
Francois.
Ne mami. Stadium here Heroes Park. Me can because I've been going on radio with him. It's where I radio for NDC, NPP, CPP. Any call radio na Yemia and Mammy and a wood. To a train in modern pin, na call Kumasi Sports Stadium, Heroes Park. The Maminatum, MC Akushi no cry. The Uncle Bois,
almost seen.
Oye, Munche ye. Maybe a Tremuna, Yawo Zongo Development Ministry. Na Zongo Development Ministry, first person, you do number 2, no, or they say Boniface Abubakar.
Yeah.
Boniface.
Medina.
Sadiq Medina.
Yeah.
You do number 2, June 2014, 2017. Munche Diokaye. Only an enemy of Zongos will scrap Zongo Ministry. Only an enemy of Zongos will scrap ministry. The Minister for Inner City and Zongo Development, Mr. Boniface Abubakar Sadiq, has cautioned that whichever political party that comes after the ruling New Patriotic Party should not make the mistake of scrapping the ministry. Whichever party, whichever party that comes into office and scraps the ministry, believe you me, is the enemy of the Zongos. And then another Danko Akufo-Addo was scrapple some ministry.
Also the co-presidency.
Mesu was scrapple. It's no more a ministry. And I'm say Obia obe scrapple sa di no na oye Zongo for council number 1. And the Zongo for Muntie the dada mo say nde be penkremo fu asem be Zongo fu asem e di ma set up a whole ministry with the minister.
Your tribal politics.
And your tribal.
Oh, die.
Na Zongo for no me tribal. Zongo for you say and the 40 Zongo. Who is that grand 40 or who is that fan the 40 or?
But that's
what say? Mami Kaibio. Mami Kaibio. Whichever party that comes into office and scraps the ministry, believe you me, is the enemy of the Zongos. Not just say what tie Zongo for number 1. And I just Zongo for one more time for number half. And it's anybody.
Okay, let me read this one. So, I mean,
Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo we yi saadi na free ho wa ka che mu Zongo for say mu nya hu wo yusu mu the votes wo wie minister no wo yi na free ho wa fana ko ba bia Mustafa de ko ba bi ya fa say Boniface o de ko ba bi wo mu nya yi wa free o si Zongo for mu nya futi wo fa mu nya hu enti Zongo Dibro minister o si be develop Zongo ni nyema na enti mo to abama no ene eni hobio na ba umia wo ho ba president eni yi Zongo Dibro minister every ho na do no discuss senkramofo ministry no ye every ho wo ye every ho mi wie no the same Zongo Dibro ministry no tie je we se su kai Mustafa se we every ho no ba ye wo say flashback video no president can have the audacity to collapse Zongo ministry. Mustafa Hamid, former minister for inner city and Zongo Development, Mustafa Hamid, is captured on video doubting the possibility of the collapse of the Zongo ministry. Mustafa Hamid made these remarks in an interview on Joy News, monitored by Ghana News Press, whatever. He intimated that the ministry had come to stay and nothing could be done by any government to collapse it. Mustafa, nothing can be done by any government to collapse it. Whether you are NDC before, and yes, CB before, wow, MPP for, wow, President of Ghana or your information minister, Okofa, upon Kroma, Okosrema upon Kroma, obey your deputy, I would have it, no, say, Flo, who are you? Will you free Homa upon Kroma Bay? Information minister and then upon Kromatio, the Pamo, the Oka say, Bien, who bet me, you know, and now the Danko Akufo-Addo now was here Zongo free. Me family who Regional TV man. What's it? Ashanti. What's it? John Mahama is an enemy of Islam because what's it? OBCC small mortuaries. Ama Nkramofo. Regional TV man, me information is 3 years ago in 2018. Mami wuye wouldn't say free Jimo confanoti for 3 days. 3 good days. Was in Crabo 4 free Jimo. Mami wouldn't say free Jimo for 3 days. So, until I didn't know, Sacramoni, every or ho, Baba Damasi. Okay. And what be wood Damasi? Damasi or hospital with the mortuary. Sancramophone in baby of Fla. Send your day I saw more crown on our pay baby of free. Okay. What would be and I'm a hammer so busy Mamoni upon we are and so regional kind of the Ashanti region say or you're an enemy of Islam. And then Muzongo Development Ministry no only I call your enemy of Islam no only I grow up once no or no or some no footing. Okay. To a guno. Enemy of the Zongos. Okay.
My memoir the explanations and I say where ye some of the ministries no be every ho. We are maybe in 1 minute to 1 minute. Was it 7 ministries, namely aviation, business development, inner city and Zongo development, monitoring and evaluation, planning, regional reorganization and development, and special development initiatives have been realigned. The president has effected this realignment because virtually all these special purpose ministries have achieved the purposes for which they were established. They have achieved their purposes.
Yes.
This one, that is to me, I think we need to interrogate more going forward, because I said they have achieved their purposes for which they were established. The office of the senior minister has also been abolished. This will result in the total of 28 ministries, down from the 36 of this term. So these ministries have achieved
their Nanado on the president and was setting Zongo
inner city development
or setting our ministry. Unim Nakuma Muse the war channel. Why 18 to us what was achievement at the Zongo? And you said to develop Zongos. Go
to Ijao Zongo and tell me. I can let me take you to Ijao Zongo one day, and then we will go through Ijao Zongo. You will tell me, say, a dear ministry here or what, and they also achieve no. Bro,
ministries are yating in our one, and what was he saying? Yet Zongos are part of Ghana.
Then why did he create it at all?
No,
why was it created at all?
Now you won't say your war, sir. To be identifying
Asotef, no?
Yes.
How many? Even the Asotef are in non-Zongos than the Zongos. Well, I'm ready. Me, I'm focused. No,
Mama, Nimoti, a Buakwas in me. Count Royal Manager, Pam Kalo, to be any
1 year. That was a
year.
Yes.
Otina now, 30th of January. And mammy, a saving.
Genasi. Okay.
So you also Genasi.
Ochina. Ochina Francois the annual. And now Zongo. Yes, we will find time and then. Osla, yes, communications.
What's not Bermano, Parliament,
Bermano,
Bermano, oh, yeah, they
no, say Nikunuma and Mamino, Nikunu, Hagging. What? Because
who sat on who?
That's a Berman money with no money.
I mean,
but not what one minute. Sorry. No, but tonight was I.
Right. Within the Michael, and then regional communication name of the NPP and Kazansona Mote. Sir Wallace Abepiu and Wallace Administrator NDC and within the Michael and Mike. Together with the able team that is CHUB, Kelvin Obrempong Adumako Mensa. A very good evening to you, Yakramo.
No, these come
Kumawu TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedi Kumawu TV Aba Amansane Yena Yedi Sini Papa Bena Upe Biasha Amansane Winyano baby Kumawood TV Amansane Yena Yedimu
Enya drone andro e drone ne yesaya Axco Herbal Caps team enemy koko na ha me bebrebe eyi ni nyina afiri ho
mewura nyanye bai men so metimi anom Axco Herbal Caps him
metimi anom be dodo na woni XP Herbal Caps eno ne ma me sisi yade ni nyina afiri me so ama me ho atome
XP Herbal Caps hina ma ni jabapi so di bibiasio XF Herbal Caps e boost your immune system
ejento so de usisi da bia cha na bi cha kan ho
me sisi ndi aka ho
XP Herbal Caps e be bo ma usisi na ye kama
two passes one no mama ho ato
ozo de hwe me
hey XP Herbal Capsules fama me so me kwanu we
unyanye dan no
yiwani
ngura ni be da nya bi
no pay enya na ewo Herbal ene pharmacy shop dodo na mu
da onya mfie dumie no apemfo ene oba o manofo